Welcome to the Global Women Support Hub broadcast, where we empower and connect women worldwide.
Giving and why it's so contagious. When we give, we inspire others to do the same, creating a ripple effect of kindness.
Giving is not just an action, it's a spiritual seed.
Lives change. Hearts open. Hope spreads. Giving is contagious.
When you give, lives change, hearts open, hope spreads, giving is contagious.
Together, we launched the Global Women Support Hub to empower and unite.
Jesus made something very clear.
Giving only to your family or those who can repay you is natural love.
But it is not kingdom giving.
This challenges us. Extend love beyond familiarity. Those who may not reciprocate. Luke 6:32-34. If you love those who love you, what credit is that to you? True Christian giving goes beyond blood ties. It reaches the poor, the stranger, the needy, even those who cannot repay.
Christian giving goes beyond family. Jesus said, "Give, good measure, pressed down, shaken together, running over." When you give freely, you reflect the heart of Christ, and others are inspired to give too. When you give freely, you reflect the heart of Christ, and others are inspired to give too.
When you give freely, you reflect the heart of Christ, and others are inspired to give too.
When you give freely, you reflect the heart of Christ, and others are inspired to give too.
When you give freely, you reflect the heart of Christ, and others are inspired to give too. Giving reveals Christ. Because God so loved the world, He gave.
Giving to family is good, but Jesus teaches that Christian giving goes further.
True kingdom giving includes strangers, the poor, and the unrewarding. Inspires giving. It is contagious. Giving reflects God's nature. You are watching Global Women Support Hub.
For more information, visit our website.
Global Women Support Hub Initiative. Restoring dignity, hygiene, and care for women and girls. Restoring dignity, hygiene, and care for women and girls. Have you heard about Woman Who Are You? Don't miss it. Order your copy today.
If it's raining, it's raining. Tears from my eyes.